Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds ANKER Liberty Free Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search line and write Soundcore. Now search, and you should install this application, what called Soundcore. Now open it. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. Then go to Agree and Continue. Right here you can sign in to your account, you can create a new account. At the right top you can select a region, but I'm going to skip it by press skip button at the left top. Then click at device. Oh yeah, actually we don't need because we have this notification, so just click Allow. Right here, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!